Alright, so step one is you pour 2 gallons of cool water into the hopper. And then you set the dasher switch, which is this guy right here, to the on position for 5 minutes. Step 2 is you switch off the dasher. You slowly release this. Very good, slowly. Let all that drain out. And you want to repeat step 1 and 2 until the water's clear. Step 3 is you add your Sterashine sanitizer and cleaner to a bucket, 2-gallon bucket of warm water, and repeat step 1 and 2. So step 4, we're going to disassemble the beater assembly. You're going to start by removing the hand screws. After you remove all 4 of the hand screws, you're going to want to remove the freezer door. You're going to want to remove this little white piece here. So you want to use the beater assembly removal tool. Put it in there, twist, pull it out like that. Got your beater removed. Just pull this guy out right here. Set that to the side. You're going to pull out your drive shaft. And that's it. Alright, so you want to fill your sink up with warm water. Use the pre-approved Sterashine in the water. You want to thoroughly brush clean each one of your parts using this guy right here. Just make sure you get in there. Make sure you've taken your blades off. So you're going to want to put all 4 of the blades on to the dasher assembly. Slide them in like that. Just repeat with these guys. There's 3 more. You just take this O-ring right here, sort of pull it apart like that. Look for cracks all the way around. Make sure there's no damage. If there is, replace it. You just want to slide the guy in that slot there. Make sure it's uniform. You're going to want to lube the drive shaft. Get about that much on your finger. Sort of slide in this groove around here. Middle. Slide it up to about that wear mark right there. Then you're going to want to put this guy on. Around until it's seated. A little bit more. About that much. And then you're going to want to create a seal of lube. Sort of inside that. Just like that. First thing you want to do in the reassembly process is get your lube drive shaft. Stick that guy in there. Sort of spin it around until you feel it seat. Take your baffle here, put it in that way. Spin it around until it seats on top of that drive shaft. You're going to want to take this guy, slide it in here, put that dasher in, you can't get it in just by spinning it, you can take this guy out, take your tool, spin it until it seats like that. You're going to want to put your door on, make sure your O-ring doesn't fall loose. Just like that.